Walking down the streets of NoHo. Continue.
Valley Glen. Valley Village or whatever.
This is still North Hollywood, dumbass.
Van Nuys.
Yeah, you're black. Okay. Where are we going?
The laundry.
No, we're not.
Dude, we're gonna go get some quarters.
Are we?
We are just gonna go get some quarters and go home. They can't see you, you black as fuck.
Okay. It's cold. It's cold.
Pretty cold.
I know.
Chilly.
I know. What y'all want?
What?
Man, I should have brought my pants instead of my boxers.